Today we will be connecting to all of the elements and our full potential within the essence of the pentagram. Now, the pentagram is a very, very old symbol, symbolizing not only the 5 elements in Chinese medicine, but it also symbolizes the ascending and descending energy pathways. It connects us to the sphere, and within the center of the pentagram is our heart space. So everything that is from this heart space moves outwards in all directions, connecting to the 5 elements, and then is brought back to the center of the heart space. So we're learning how to send our heart's energy energetically outwards in all directions, connecting with the outer world to be brought back in. Starting hip width apart. You've seen Leonardo da Vinci's sketch of the man and how all points are perfectly aligned to create that shape of the star in the center, and within that is, of course, the circle, and inside that, the center of our heart. So we're just mimicking this energy high on the balls of your feet, crown of the head reaches towards the sky, feeling the strength of your pentagram, inhaling, stepping to the other side, inhaling, breathing all the elements into the heart. Exhale, sending out high on the ball of the feet. Shooting it out wide, getting as big as you can. Inhaling, breathing it into the heart. And moving with your own tide of breath. Some of you might be a little faster, some of you might be a little slower, wherever you are. Allowing your visualization to direct the current of energy. Breathing it in, inhale. Exhale, sending it out. Exhale. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhale. And feeling the ability to direct this energy out through the fingertips like a laser, out through the toes like a laser, out through the head like a laser. How big is your pentagram in your mind's eye? Shoulders relax down the back, face is soft, maybe even a faint smile. Beautiful. Always on the tiptoes, getting as high as you can. Coming back to center. And now as we spread out into our pentagram, you can keep the whole feet on the floor, reaching out wide. Shrug the shoulders down the back, fingertips reaching bottoms of the feet, laser focus down into the earth, crown of the head reaches towards the sky, and feel yourself breathe into this fullness. Send your energy out, the heart's light out in all directions. Allow yourself to take up space. Allow yourself to get bold and bright and feel at the ends of the lasers this light. Where does it click into place on each side, from the left hand to the right hand, to the top of the head, to the bottoms of the feet? Where do these points of energy click? And once you've found that, feel into how big and bold your pentagram is. If your shoulders are getting tired, you can always flip the palms up. And feeling this beautiful circular shape surrounding your pentagram, and it moves and dances. And feeling the elements dancing with you, dancing with your heart. The light of the heart is shot out in all directions. And then when you're ready, next inhale, inhale. Feet together, hands over the heart space. Eyes closed, and observe your energy. What's coming through in this moment? Observing your deep connection with the elements, a deeper connection with your heart, and seeing this beautiful expanded field surrounding you and your heart's light dancing with the elements of nature, gifting you the forces to be able to manifest from the most soulful place. Observing the sacred geometry of this pentagram and the heart, your heart at the very center. Bringing the hands at heart center, bowing the head. Gently blinking the eyes open. More to come in our sacred geometry of Qi immersion. I'll see you next time.